Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 BMW G310R. This lightweight 310 naked just arrived with only 746 miles on the odometer. Beautiful black and white paint scheme, super low mileage. Come on by, make your lightweight sport naked dreams come true for just $49.99. This bike is not going to be here long. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.